Hey, I'm here with Chad. Good afternoon, Chad. What are we working on today?
So we got a customer that came in with a customer complaint of kind of like a general looseness in the front end. So what we did was we checked the wheel bearings. As you can see here, this bearing is moving. And how you check for that play is normally what you would do is you'd have this tire up on here, you grab the top of it and the bottom of it, and you try and wiggle back and forth kind of like this, see if you have any play in it. This one, obviously without the tire having all that play, that is very bad in comparison to what we have with a new one, which I actually have right here in the box. All covered up. We can see a very clean spin on it and zero play whatsoever in it. So what we're going to do today is put a new set of front wheel bearings on this and get it going back on the road, test drive after, and make sure everything's good on it.
Awesome. Thanks, Chad.
Yep.